When most Ugandans hear the word SACCO, one thing immediately comes to mind: loans. For some, it's the easiest place to borrow money. Others even call it the poor man's bank. And because governments sometimes channel money through SACCO programs, many people have come to believe they are political projects. But here is the question: how much do we actually know about SACCOs? Behind the loans, the savings, and the public perception is a financial institution that millions of Ugandans use, but few fully understand. Today, we are looking at 10 things you probably didn't know about your SACCO. Number 1, a SACCO is not just another savings group. At first glance, a SACCO looks like any other group where people save money together and borrow from the pool. But that's only part of the story. A SACCO is a formal financial cooperative created to mobilize savings, provide affordable credit, and improve the long-term economic well-being of its members. Unlike many community savings groups that eventually divide the money and close, a SACCO is built to continue growing year after year. And that brings us to perhaps its biggest difference, which is number 2. You are not just a customer, you are an owner. Think about your relationship with a commercial bank. You deposit money, use its services, and perhaps take out a loan. But the bank belongs to its shareholders. A SACCO works differently. The people who save in it are the same people who own it. By purchasing shares, members become owners of the institution itself. They elect leaders, vote on major decisions, attend annual general meetings, and when the SACCO performs well, they share its success, including profits. With this, you're not simply banking with your SACCO, you're helping to run it. Number 3, every SACCO is built around a common bond. Most SACCOs don't accept members randomly. They are usually formed around something people have in common. Members may work for the same employer, belong to the same church, professional association, labor union, or simply live in the same community. That shared identity builds trust, strengthens accountability, and helps the SACCO understand the financial needs of its members. Number 4, your savings don't just sit in an account. Many people imagine that once they save, their money simply waits in an account until they need it. That's not how a SACCO works. Your savings become productive capital. They finance loans for fellow members who may be paying school fees, expanding businesses, investing in farming, or responding to emergencies, depending on the SACCO's investment strategy. Some funds may also be invested in approved income-generating ventures. The returns help the SACCO grow and ultimately benefit the people who own it. Number 5, a good SACCO does more than give loans. Yes, affordable credit is important, but lending money is only one part of what a good SACCO does. Many encourage members to develop healthy saving habits, improve financial discipline, and plan for the future. Some also provide financial literacy training or partner with organizations offering insurance and other financial services. For example, Child and Family Foundation Uganda SACCO Limited supports financial literacy, youth entrepreneurship, and women's empowerment programs aimed at building financial resilience. In other words, a SACCO's mission is much broader than lending money. Number 6, SACCOs are regulated. One misconception is that SACCOs operate without supervision. Licensed SACCOs in Uganda operate within a legal framework. They are regulated by the Uganda Microfinance Regulatory Authority UMRA under the Tier 4 Microfinance Institutions and Moneylenders Act of 2016. Since licensing began in 2021, SACCOs have increasingly been required to meet standards on governance, financial reporting, accountability, and responsible management. Like other financial institutions, they are expected to meet rules designed to protect members. Number 7, a SACCO is not the same as a village savings group. The two are often confused. Village savings and loan associations and many community savings groups usually begin as informal arrangements where members create their own rules. Some eventually register or become formal organizations. A SACCO, however, is designed from the outset to become a formal cooperative financial institution operating within a regulated environment. Both encourage saving and borrowing. But governance, legal recognition, and accountability are very different. Number 8, SACCOs are not government projects. Because governments occasionally channel support through SACCO programs, many people assume SACCOs belong to the government. They don't. Cooperative societies existed long before today's wealth creation programs. A SACCO belongs to its members, not politicians. Government may provide funding or support through specific programs, but ownership and decision-making remain within the cooperative itself. Number 9, a SACCO is built to outlive its founders. Unlike temporary savings clubs that dissolve after members share out the accumulated money, a SACCO is designed to continue indefinitely. New members join, others leave. Leaders change, assets grow, and services expand. If managed well, a SACCO can serve a community for generations. Others even grow and turn into banks. The success of a SACCO is not measured by one election cycle or one fundraising drive. It's measured over decades. Lastly, a SACCO's greatest asset is not money. It's the members. This may be the most important point of all. A SACCO can only succeed when its members participate. That means attending meetings, electing competent leaders, demanding accountability, repaying loans on time, and serving consistently. The strongest SACCOs are rarely those with the biggest buildings or the largest loan portfolios. They are the ones whose members understand that ownership comes with responsibility. So the next time someone describes a SACCO as simply a place to get a cheap loan, you'll know that there is much more to the story. A SACCO is a cooperative, a business, a regulated financial institution, and above all, a community-owned organization built on the simple but powerful idea that people can achieve more when they save, invest, and grow together. Whether you already belong to one or you're thinking about joining, understanding how a SACCO works is the first step towards making the most of what it has to offer.